Welcome! Today we're going to connect your Brother machine to a Chromebook computer. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. You will need to gather some information about your wireless network in order to connect your machine. You will need to know the SSID or network name of your router or access point. And you'll need to know your network key or password. The default settings for your router or access point can be found on the equipment label. If your SSID or network key contains both uppercase and lowercase letters, be sure to record them, as both of these credentials are case sensitive. If you set up a custom SSID and network password and cannot recall this information, please contact your router manufacturer. Setup cannot be accomplished without this information. Begin by pressing the Wi-Fi button. Press the up or down arrows repeatedly until the Find Wi-Fi Network option appears. Then press OK. Press the right arrow to enable WLAN. Select your SSID or network name, and press OK. Enter your network key using the arrow keys and the number pad. Press OK after each digit is selected. Confirm that your network key is correct, and arrow down to the OK option on the screen. Then press OK. On your Chromebook, click the Settings icon. Then click Device. Now click Print. Select your Brother device and click Save. If your Brother device is not listed, you will need to verify that it is connected to the same network as your Chromebook. Verify that your printer has been added. Once your Brother device has been added, the setup is complete. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.